Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, 20 questions are already over, and we are to complete the next 5 questions of 2014 Prelims Paper Test Booklet Series A. So, without wasting time, let's begin. This video's first question is: in medieval India, the designations Mahattara and Pattakilla were used for military officers, village headmen, specialists in Vedic rituals, and chiefs of craft guilds. Well, this question is direct. If you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, you don't know it. There's no tricks, there's nothing. Only you can just avoid C because Vedic rituals and medieval India don't go together. But yeah, it's a direct question, and the UPSC format has made this as an answer B. That is, Mattara and Pattakilla were used for village headmen. These were the designations. Then we move on to the next question. Lichens, which are capable of initiating ecological succession even on a bare rock, are actually a symbiotic association of algae, bacteria, fungi, mosses. So basically, algae, bacteria, fungi, or mosses. So this is not a direct question, but a very, very simple question. If you know about it, you know about it again. If you don't know it, you don't know it. So lichens are a symbiotic association of algae and fungi. So the correct answer for 22 is B, algae and fungi. Next we have, if you travel through the Himalayas, you are likely to see these plants. So the basic question is that what are the plants that are grown in front of Himalayas, surrounding Himalayas? So the clear answer could be that we'll see where are oak, rhododendron and sandalwood found in India, and accordingly we'll decide which is the correct answer. When you search for oak, oaks are completely clearly in Himalayas, so that's the correct answer. Rhododendrons are again mentioned in Himalayas, so yes, rhododendrons are found in Himalayas. That's also a correct answer. But if you see sandalwood, it's distributed in South India, in parts of India, but not in Himalayas. So the correct answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Next we have, which of the following are some important pollutants released by steel industry in India? And this is a very simple answer because oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide is very well written all around in Google, in books, in resources that you refer to, that yes, all 4 are the important pollutants that are released by the steel industry in India. So the correct answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The last question for today is, which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddha? Avanti, Gandhara, Kosala and Magad. Now, if you know about Buddha's life, you will know that Gandhara and Kosala were directly related, but Magad and Avanti were not known at that point of time because of the life of Buddha. So ultimately, our answer is Gandhara and Kosala. That is 2 and 4 only. Alright guys, this was it with today's video, our Friday MCQ answers discussions. I know this is taking a slow process, this is really a slow process, but I really want to go with in-depth, and if you consider it, we've kept our prelims time as our the months of April and May. So ultimately right now, this is not our prelims time, but we are still somehow taking out time for that, and it's a big thing for us. So definitely it's not a slow process, it's a good, better process, and I'm sure that once this month is over, we'll take along with us a new good thing that not every aspirant would be doing it. So we'll meet next tomorrow. Thanks for watching.